Hi, I'm John Alexandrov, the CEO of REIC. I'm here today with Amy Slotnick, who's one of the top producing loan officers in the country for a Fairway independent mortgage. Amy, it's great to be here with you this morning.
Great to see you, John.
You know, Amy, there's all kinds of things happening in the mortgage industry these days. I mean, we're hearing things about people not being able to get mortgages. And on the flip side, we're hearing rates are fantastic and property values are down and it's the perfect time to get a mortgage. So what are you experiencing right now in the mortgage industry?
Well, we're experiencing so many things in the mortgage industry. Consistent changes in regulations, consistent changes in guidelines. But with respect to borrowers, so both buyers and people who are looking to save money with refinancing, we are really seeing a change in the way that people are applying and in the way that people are getting approved, in the sense that people who are applying understand, again, that we will be documenting their income, their assets.
What a big change over the last few years, right?
Right, absolutely. That it is back to the mortgage industry sort of double dotting every I and double crossing every T.
Right.
And the expectation of not having to provide information to your lender that seems to be dissipating. People are understanding that we do have to, in fact, verify all of their information. There is sort of this sense out there that it's very difficult to get a mortgage these days, and I will tell you that that is simply not true.
Yeah, someone who's as a qualified buyer, I mean, they're able to come in and sit down and talk with you and get approved like they would have been able to 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago, right?
Absolutely. A qualified buyer, a person who has demonstrated an excellent credit history, a willingness to repay their debt, who is employed and has a consistent flow of income, those people are sailing through the mortgage process like they always did.
And I would think refinances would be the same at this point. People who took out a mortgage 4 or 5 years ago and rates might be a percentage or two less right now, would be just as easy for them to qualify as well.
Right, and the difficulty with refinances is not so much the borrower's ability to qualify, it's more a function of the property and the loss of equity.